Main sewer line replacements in New York requires precision, advanced equipment, and a great deal of experience. These types of repairs and replacements, they're a specialized trade, and they don't fall within the normal scope of work for your average plumber. Now, in order to obtain the required permits for a subsurface sewer replacement, the contractor must hold a New York City Master's Plumber's license, sufficient insurance coverage, and a special bond with the New York City DOT. Now, we all know a broken sewer line can be messy, disruptive, and it can even be hazardous to the health of your family, customers, or employees. So, there's some important facts to consider. Now, there are many reasons why we may experience problems with your sewer line. If you're experiencing problems with an unknown cause, understanding why the pipe is not functioning properly is the first step in home sewer maintenance. This can help you avoid wasting money on temporary repairs to your sewer line when a complete main sewer line replacement might be more cost effective in the long run. So, two primary factors to consider when making your final decision. The first factor is to determine the exact cause of the sewer problem. Now, the most common problems are when the pipe is separated, cracked, filled with tree roots, back-pitched, or it's just an old clay pipe. The second factor is locating the area of concern. In the case of a repair, it's incredibly important to have the exact location of the sewer problem. So, if you currently have a clay sewer pipe, locating the problematic area is not as necessary since really the entire line should be replaced. There are other factors as well to consider when weighing the different repair or replacement options. Now, each scenario brings its own unique circumstances, so I strongly recommend contacting a subsurface sewer contractor for a professional opinion. So, after a homeowner has identified that their sewer line is damaged, a common thought is, should I repair or replace my sewer line? Now, if you have a clay sewer line, we will always advise you to replace the entire sewer line with extra heavy cast iron pipe, mainly because a clay sewer line is more susceptible to experiencing a secondary issue opposed to a cast iron sewer line. And if you do decide to make a repair on that section of your clay pipe, you may be okay, but just note that there's a strong possibility that you may have to repair another section of that old clay pipe in the near future. And having a contractor perform multiple repairs will always become more expensive than just replacing the entire sewer line in one shot. If you do currently have a cast iron sewer pipe, it might make more sense to entertain the idea of a repair, as cast iron generally lasts you 50 plus years if it's installed by an experienced contractor using the proper materials. So either way, whichever way you might want to go in terms of a repair or replacement, just note, we strongly advise that you have a detailed inspection performed on your sewer line, a camera inspection. This will allow your contractor to give you the best advice possible in how to remedy your sewer issues. Thank you for watching our video.